Just now. Oh, yeah. I use this kind of tool. In Finland we say Japan lasta. If it's burned, it's not burned very long. I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. Hello, welcome to Wanna Be Overlander YouTube channel. This episode, maybe we are going to do some bushings and something like that. And I get parts from the auto dock. And I bought also some tools for taking out ball joint separator. And these are bearing puller. I think I'm going to try to this one to pull out the wheel bearings. Let's open this box. Mostly I buy Miele parts because I think they are like a original quality. Yeah, something like that. And what is here? I think this is rear axle. So now we have parts, and when I can go to use machine there for press, then we can see how it goes. In Finland we say this koiranluu, like a dog bone. Some parts I have SKF because male, they didn't have a male parts there. And this one is I think upper ball joint from Miele HD, high durable. Yeah, looking nice. Here also SKF. I hope they are right parts, but if not, then just order more. And what is this? Yeah, lower ball joint, Miele heavy duty with the mounting bolts. I pull out this rubber from the windshield. I'm going to take out the windshield because there is a rust, and this rubber broken because here it was glued together here, and it's of course it's very old and brittle. Someone put the extra antenna here for this car and they drill hole here straight to the A-pillar, inner seat metal, and straight to the dashboard to in there. It was very corroded, and they fill this hole with the foam. So I need to cut here a little bit hole and try to take out this foam so I can make some small welding here, so it's not gonna burn inside. I try to find the original style new antenna there. I have this new dog bones, and I want to try if I can install them with using soap and heating them a little bit in hot water. I have one here in the very hot water, so lots of soap here. Maybe this is not the proper way, but I try, possible or not. Nice job. Yeah, and it's there. I can do it. SKF, made in China. So now we have nice bushings, new bushings in the swing bar. We just took the windshield off, and before I think I don't change the windshield, but it's definitely time to change it because it was rusty under here. So now I can clean all this rubber out here and the rust off, and paint it same time with the car body. It's also another corner was definitely leaking already, so it's good time for do it. And also we took off this side window. I'm going to install here opening window. Okay, I'm going to try, can I remove this rust here? And I'm going to try this tool. This can be very messy, but what I can have choice. Later I can remove the dash and vacuum it inside and clean everything. But now I need to remove the rust for the paint job. It's not easy, but you have choice. That's the problem. I can't go very in a corner because this machine gonna eat to another side of the edge, so I need to use some smaller machine here. I'm not sad at all that I removed the window. I can see problems here. So now it's gonna be fine once and last. There is the problem. This rim takes contact with this edge, so I can't get some pressure to the glue. And there is also this dashboard, so I don't want to damage that. Because of the rust, I'm going to move all glue 100%. Normal, if you make just window change, you don't need to remove 100%. Oi vittu! It's gonna be a little bit hard here. You see, you don't install your roof if you're not ready with your job. I don't know how I can repair this. It's quite clean now. I think that's it with this machine. This machine problem is it's eat a lot of metal, so you make a original metal thinner. Okay, I cut out small piece of sheet metal here where the antenna was. If you see inside there was a hole drilled through the A-pillar, through the dashboard, all in one time, and then they filled it with the urethan. I don't know, there is a two kind of color. Maybe there is an original also, some kind of foam. I don't sure. But the problem is now I'm going to weld it, and I think it's gonna get fire. So I try to tear it out where the weld coming, and I plug the hole. So I think it can't get air. If it's burned, it's not burned very long. I'm not going to use very strong power here because I'm scared it's get too hot. And first put a little bit one corner, then I can turn this down all the way. Remember, I don't going to put here any bondo. Now I'm going to weld it, then I'll a little bit sand it, and let's see what it's gonna be. Okay, now I'm going to grind it and then let's see, do we need to put a little bit more welds for some hole. Now this place is done. It's not very straight, but I'm gonna leave it like this because this car I don't use Bondo. So I'm just sanding it a little bit and then spray it with the primer and color. I pull off the tailgate and under this struts there is also rust. And here I'm already a little bit take off, but as you see this brown color, it's not clear enough. I use this kind of tool. In Finland we say Japan lasta. I don't know what is this. But I use this kind of, sharpening this with the P800 water sanding paper, and it's quite sharp as you see. So this is good tool for take out sticker, even they are very old. I'm going to sanding this, but better I take out this because there is a glue. I have new stickers ordered and if your knife is sharp enough and flexible, you can take this tapes off without scratching the paint actually. Okay, now I'm sanding this off, and this sticker I have already ordered. I make myself new stickers here. I just give some company to cutting them because this 4x4 sticker I cannot find anywhere. And this glue I need to wash out using this silicone remover. And now I can use another tool. You see it's very soft now. It's okay now. Then sanding, and when finished paint, then we put the new stickers. Okay, I'm cut here. This rubber was a little bit too high, so this lid here, this wind spoiler didn't go together with the sheet metal, and it's tear open the glue. So I cut this rubber a little bit down, but now I have to try to fix it straight. I'm going to painting this like I'm asking here. I don't need to paint all roof here. So let's see, this can be a very messy job. But I try to make this a little bit more straight here. That's why I put there a little bit more primer, and I'm trying to make this edge here straight. Not gonna looking very nice. I'm going to use this kind of method. Towel over the tool, and then I'm going to wipe this straight like this. Okay, like that. Then I need to cleaning the edges. So something like that. If I paint it now, when the glue is drying, I can just a little bit sanding it, and then I paint it. It's gonna be fine. It's smooth enough for that rubber. That is fine now. Then I put some glue here a little bit and another edges. I thought that I need to end this video here, otherwise it's gonna be too long. We didn't proceed to top coating yet, but let's do that in next episode. If not subscribed to channel yet, remember it costs nothing. See ya! Thank you for watching and see you in next episode. This is probably the best sanding machine in the world. This is 7mm movement, 150mm disc, and as you see here is a bearing. So this big hose have a vacuum hose and a high pressure